Welcome to our tutorial on Windows Performance Booster. Today we'll see 4 different methods to boost your PC performance. So without wasting time, let's start our tutorial for the day. In the first method, we'll see how to delete temporary files. So on the search bar, type percentile, TEMP, percentile. Click on open. Select all this and then click on home and then press delete. So once you delete this, your all application data will be deleted that is not needed now, and then it will free your memory and then boost your PC performance. So let's see our next method. So basically, when your system runs low on disk, your system starts running slow. So let's see how to free some spaces and configure storage sense to automatically clean up unwanted files. Go to Start menu, click on Settings, go to System, click on Storage, click on Temporary Files. Here you'll see all the unwanted files from different applications in your PC. Once the scanning is complete, select all the checkbox and remove these files. And you can see total of around 8 GB data, so I'm removing those files. So let it remove, wait for its completion, and I'll show you how to set it automatically. Click on that configure storage sense. Now switch on this toggle bar and select during low free disk space. So whenever your system is running low on disk, this setting will automatically delete unwanted files from the system. This will boost your CPU performance. So this is another method, defragmentation tool. Please note, if you are using SSD, this method won't be helpful for you, so you can skip this part and move to next method. So let's see how to do this. Now go to Start menu, click on Settings, go to Systems, click on Storage. Now inside storage, come down and then go to Optimize drive. Select a drive that you want to fragment and click on Optimize. So it will analyze and then defragment your drive. So this will compress all the blank spaces that is present in your drive. So this will boost your CPU performance. Now let's check the last method for the day. Again, malware and viruses make your system very slow. These are unwanted software and application that runs in the background. So we'll check a different method to remove this malware and viruses. So let's see how to do it in Microsoft Windows Defender. Go to Start menu, click on Settings, go to Update and Security. Inside Update and Security, go to Windows Security. Now click on Open Windows Security. Now here if you see all this is green, that means you are good. Here click on Virus and Threat Protections. Now click on Scan Options. Click on Quick Scan and then click on Scan Now. So this will do a very quick scan overview. For detailed scan, select Microsoft Defender Offline Scan and click on Scan Now. So it will take around 15 to 30 minutes, so let it run fully. It might ask you for restart, and then remove all the malware and viruses that are present in your system. So make sure that you select this Microsoft Defender Offline Scan and Scan Now once in every fortnight. So these were the 4 methods that would help you boost your performance. If you still think that your PC is running slow, I have other 2 videos, part 1 and part 3 of these videos. Go ahead and check that from my Windows Performance Booster playlist, you will be able to boost your performance. You are watching F Originals. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Your problem, our solution.